It feels good to be back in Canada. I think I'm lying to myself. Look at that. It's 4/20 today, April 20, and there's still snow on the floor. I was in Mexico for this last week and we missed a ton of like freezing rain and snow, so we left Canada at just the right time. But today, I'm not the weatherman. I'm here to show you guys something pretty dope. We're going on an adventure today to a Nike event to celebrate 4/20. Nike invited me last week and I'm here with my homie, my compadre, Ian. You guys haven't seen Ian in forever.
I am finally back, y'all.
He's back in the vlog, and he's back for more than just the vlog. He's gonna be doing a lot more stuff behind the scenes on Sneaker Talk and in front of the camera too. We're gonna film some bangers today, so we're gonna grab some lunch. I haven't seen this guy in like what now? 3 months. Yeah, I was gonna say more than weeks. It's been months. So we have to rekindle, reconnect. We have to catch up on some lost time. Misty! Misty! I missed you! I missed you, Misty. Misty just got back from her pet hotel that she was staying at for the week, and Misty's not showing me or my sister any love. Like, she doesn't care about us at all. But when Ian came, yo, Ian is getting all the love from Misty. This isn't fair. This isn't fair. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You cheated on us, Miss. Ian's got some Air Force One wovens. Okay, okay. And for myself, I went with the Nike Air Max 270s today. I have been loving these sneakers. I still have to make a review. I am sorry I'm so slow on that, guys. It's honestly been a minute since I've had any McDonald's, but we are back in action with the fries. We've got the junior chickens. I know you guys in America don't have junior chicken. We've also been bumping into subscribers left and right. When we left my house, we saw like 3 high school kids going to school, and then we also bumped into another subscriber named Jack at this McDonald's wearing a Supreme BOGO and some Black Cement 3s. So shout out to Jack. And we're back. We're back in the room, and I have a special unboxing I have to unbox, but it's not going to be for today's vlog. So if you guys want to check out the unboxing, I'll leave a link down below, or just subscribe to the channel. But Champ Sports, they sent over some goodies in this box right here. I'm pretty sure it's a brand new pair of Air Jordans. I will be unboxing that right now with Ian. We're gonna have a fun little unboxing video. It's been a while since I've actually filmed a video with him. I like filming videos with him, and you guys like it too. Anyways, we're gonna finish catching up, drink some coffee, and get this box unboxed. So we just got to the Nike event, and they're finishing setting it up a little bit for the media before we get inside. So we stopped by this coffee shop, my bad, 529 Richmond Street West. Fahrenheit Coffee, really dope shop, one of the most like high energy coffee shop. We came in and they were like blasting EDM, and the employees were super cheerful and full of energy. So they also hooked it up with some free hot chocolate and some free coffee. So thank you, Fahrenheit Coffee Shop.
All the kids are wearing them. They really are very sophisticated. They're quite a heel strike thing. They got a different material in the heel and toe. You know, your feet are complicated. Ligaments hold bones together, tendons hold muscles together. There's a lot going on. These things are like a feather.
How do you get the runner's high? Is it
you run hard enough. It takes me a few minutes. How many people have had runner's high? Somebody must have. Yeah. When you push it a little, your brain makes these things that are closely related to dopamine. No chimpanzee can keep up with a human. So here's the thing, you guys.
So we just had Bill Nye talk to us about the Nike React and the Runner's High on 420, of course. And man, it's pretty crazy here seeing Bill Nye in person in real life. I used to watch Bill Nye, the science guy, all the time growing up in elementary school. He's right behind me, yo. This is crazy, yo. This is like my childhood dreams come true right here. We're gonna see what else they have around here and show you guys some cinema. There you guys go. That's a quick little tour of the Nike Loft space, the dispensary for 420. The space is opened up for 10 more days, so if you want to roll through, check it out. Try out the Nike Epic React. You can try it out on the treadmill for a couple minutes, see how you like it. But with that said, Bill Nye is only here for today and yesterday. So if you wanted to meet Bill Nye, I'm sorry, but today was the day to meet him. Huge thank you to Nike Toronto for having us here. I loved it here, and yeah, we're gonna get moving. So we'll catch you guys outside. So we just left the Nike Loft right now, and we're walking through this place called Graffiti Alley, I think, or Graffiti Street. It's literally Graffiti Alley. Every single street in this little alleyway corridor area
has graffiti
all over it. Like, this is such a popular photo spot. Check this out. There's people all the way over there taking photos, wedding photos, and then just casual photos too. Got another photo shoot going on behind us. We got Tom or Jerry from Tom and Jerry. I forget which one he is, but we got the cat. We got the cat. Bruh, this place looks so freaking cool, man. I gotta come here for a photo shoot sometime. So we just stepped outside of the bank with True Some Money, and dude, bro, the smell of cannabis is real out here. All you can smell is weed in the streets of Toronto.
Home sweet home.
So now we're heading to this Vietnamese cuisine sandwich shop called Banh Mi Boys. I've never had it before, but from my understanding, it's pretty popular, pretty good. So let's see how it is.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Get off me! Get off me!
I'm your biggest fan.
No.
I love Sneaker Talk so much. Oh my god! Hi.
How are you?
Are you vlogging right now?
Yes, I am vlogging right now.
Oh
Anything to say to the people?
Hi.
That's all you got?
Stop it. Okay.
Have you ever had Banh Mi Boys sandwiches before?
Yes, I have.
Are they any good?
They're fantastic and cheap.
And they're cheap? Ooh,
Why are you laughing? These are my friends.
Background people.
This is my cousin Christian.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you.
He likes sneakers.
So that was my cousin Jamel we randomly just bumped into on the street, and she approves of these sandwiches, so now we can finally give them a shot. Can I try the So this is the sandwich right here, what I got. It's like a grilled chicken sandwich. That looks really good. So let's have a first bite right now. See if it's any good. That's good. I have a serious question for you guys. What do you guys like better? Vanilla Coke? Because I'm a vanilla Coke kind of guy. Or do you like Ian's Cherry Coke? Let us know in the comments what's better, vanilla Coke or Cherry Coke. Okay, so since we're in the downtown area, I figured we would stop by the Jordan store, show you guys what's in the store right now sitting on shelves. So we're at the back of the store right now. They always have it color coordinated here. We've got the black sneakers on the right side. These are pretty dope. Some black 9s. Got these dope white and blue Air Jordan 13s here as well. We got the I'm Back Air Jordan 10s. These are really clean, man. Brand new Air Jordan 10 and Dark Shadows. These are straight fire too. Here's the rest of the goodies that they got. They still have the Chinese New Year Air Jordan 6s. These are pretty fire. And they also got the Wheat Air Jordan ones on sale for $149.99. These look pretty cool. They got the Air Jordan 32 lows. I'm not too crazy about the Jordan 32, but I really do like this colorway. So we're back home from the Nike dispensary, and I do have some more information I want to share with you guys, which I didn't get to tell you guys while we were there. Listen up if you guys want to learn more about the space, and if you guys want to check it out, if you guys want to go and see what it's like. After, I have a very, very important question for you guys. I need you to answer in the comment section down below. This is what Nike had to say. Nike said, "We believe if you have a body, you're an athlete, but we know that it can be intimidating to go on a run for the first time." That is very true. I know a lot of people out there who just don't want to run for whatever reason, but trust me guys, once you get in that habit of running, it just becomes second nature, just like working out. Just when you start trying new things, I know when you start trying new things, at first it can become very uncomfortable, and that's just because, you know, you're not used to it. You're stepping outside of your comfort zone. But if you guys actually start running, there are a ton of health benefits that come from it. I used to do cross country, I used to do track and field, I play soccer still, and I absolutely love running. Anyways, back to the note from Nike. It reads, "The dispensary approaches running in an innovative multi-sensory experience. Heard firsthand about the runner's high from Bill Nye the Science Guy." Shout out to Bill Nye the Science Guy. So if you guys want to go to the dispensary and check it out, it says here that it's officially open today at 4:20 p.m. on 4/20, and you can tell Nike that Pre sent you on the phone at the phone number 416-433-4440 to, you know, get a reservation to go, or you can visit nike.com/Toronto. That's it for the dispensary. Huge thank you to Nike for having me there. Now the question I have for you you guys. Earlier today, I put on my Instagram story at SneakerTalkCA a screenshot of a comment I usually get, and I get this comment like I get this comment like 10 times, 15 times per week. It is people correcting me on the pronunciation of Nike or Nike. How do you guys say it? How do you say it? I grew up my entire life calling it Nike, but as I've continued making videos on YouTube for the last 9 years or so, and I've been making sneaker related content for the last 4 years, I keep getting corrected by people telling me Nike is pronounced Nike because bike is pronounced bike. So bike, Nike, same thing. Now my question for you guys is to comment down below, how do you say Nike? Is it Nike or is it Nike? N-I-K-E, 1 syllable, or Nike, 2 syllables, N-I-K-E-Y, or N-I-K-I, however you want to say. So is it option number 1, Nike, or is it option number 2, Nike? So earlier today, I put out a poll on my Instagram, and I will show you guys the results. So this right here is the result. It's a pretty close split, 51 for Nike and 49% for Nike. That means that a majority, I know it sounds weird because it's 51 to 49, there's a 2% difference, but that means a majority of the world says N-I-K-E is pronounced Nike and not Nike. My life is a lie.